The number one mistake I see plumbers making when installing dishwashers is not reading the instructions. They like to put the hole up high there because the plumbing code got in a beef with, I don't know, CSA. But realistically, see where my drill is? That's where it should have been. Why is this? Because this goes right back to the wall. So there's no room for the plumbing to go. But right here, above this toe kick, right here, there's one little spot. And that's it. Okay, now that the water lines have been relocated to a more appropriate place, got my drain hooked up. There's two issues I normally see with dishwashers. One is the plumbers put the hole in the wrong place. The other one is that there is no high loop on the drain line. The drain line must rise 8 to 10 inches above this connection. Almost on every dishwasher I've ever seen. So the incorrect hole has fixed the issue of the dishwasher not going under and sitting crooked. One issue I see with dishwashers as well is that they're not level when they're installed. This has been Don Moody, handymanreality.com.